And so we went to Sweet Street to find out what is so cool about manufacturing. Here we go! At Sweet Street, they manufacture something much tastier than machines. They manufacture food. These foods are sold to companies worldwide for food service and retail. Ever been to a big group meeting and you just loved that cake? It might have been Sweet Street's. Here they innovate and create the finest indulgent foods and friendships. Manufacturing can be much more than machinery, and sweeter too.
It's a great industry because it's not a dying industry in this country anymore. It's, again, growing.
We might go out on the floor and see what kind of problems we had or what we're doing that day and make sure everything's going right. And then some of my day is spent in meetings talking about new products that we're going to make or new equipment that we might buy. That we make desserts that go all over the world. I've been on vacation in different states, even in different countries, and go to a restaurant or go to a hotel and they have something that we made.
So we do different things all day. Maybe it's not the same thing every day.
I always call every once in a while, and it's really our country, but sometimes I eat laughs and say it instead of my company, or our company, I say my country. And I do have that feeling that just about everything that goes on in the world happens in here, and it tests all your abilities and stays constantly interesting.
That you have a chance to create something that is out there for people to like and enjoy. You can see it out in different places where you go, and you can say, look at something and say, hey, I helped make that.